In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch the Cowboys game on NFL. Let's get started. If you want to watch a Dallas Cowboys game through the official NFL platforms, the main option is NFL Plus. You can use the NFL Plus to the NFL app or the NFL website with coverage depending on the type of game and your location. For preseason games, NFL Plus can provide live access to eligible out-of-market preseason matchups. For games being broadcast nationally on NFL Network, you can watch through the NFL app or other supported platforms if your TV or streaming package includes NFL Network. For regular season Cowboys games, keep in mind that NFL Plus does not provide every game on every device. Local and primetime games have different viewing rules, while out-of-market Sunday afternoon games may require NFL Sunday tickets. So before the game starts, check the Cowboys schedule or the NFL app to see exactly where that particular Cowboys game is being broadcast. And that's it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.